Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I am cleaning a disaster that I created, as well as giving you guys a preview of some of the work that I am doing out back. Please subscribe and click that like button. This video is not only a cleaning video, it is also a video that's showing how I failed at something and how I learned a lesson from failing at something. And basically what I failed at was I neglected cleaning my master area. Normally I spend about 10 minutes a day cleaning this area and keeping it tidy, and I actually had a ring around my tub and I have a stain on my sink. And I hesitated to even put this video out there because, I mean, look at my hair. I have on matching clothes. I have on clothes that don't match. My hair's drying and looks horrible. But I wanted to give you guys a real life cleaning video, and I wanted to give you guys a real life failure that I did that I learned a valuable lesson from. So in this video, you're going to see a stain on my sink. You're going to see my hair knotted up. You're going to see this big, huge ring around my tub from where I had taken a bubble bath. And I feel like that's real. And, you know, we don't always have our hair in place. We don't always put on makeup. We don't always wear matching clothes when we clean. So I just hope this motivates you guys. And I also want to motivate you guys to learn from your mistakes. So 10 minutes every day is all it takes me to keep this zone in my house, because I have my house divided into zones. But 10 minutes a day is all it takes for me to keep this area tidy. And I neglected it for about 3 weeks, and I ended up spending 3 hours to get it back in shape.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know if I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself, and I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights, I could just stay the same or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I win the fight.
I came straight through the dirt, my sleeves pulled up, my head held high. No shirt, no shoes, but a beating heart, and I made sure that my tongue was tied. Try to shut up and just put up with all the lies they told. Guess this is what it's like when you grow up. I'm feeling old. Some say it's normal when you get formal. It comes with age, what a mistake. Cause when I was a kid, I dreamt of something greater, like standing on a stage and hearing all those people shout my name. But now I'm hanging low and looking for someone to blame. So
I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself, and I wanna
this time.
I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could come through the fire, I could conquer the night. I thought I could make it if I tried to draw the red lights. I could just stay the same, or we winning the game. I'll be standing high, and I'll win the fight. And I'll win the fight.
Sometimes life gets messy, and I think sometimes when we go through messes in life, or we go through failures in life, or we make mistakes, sometimes we learn the best life lessons from those mistakes. And I felt like it was important to show you guys that. And also these angles of me, the way I look, it's not attractive at all, but I think it's important to see that part of me as well.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, 'cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I could be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna.
So I just kind of wanted to share a preview of a video that I'm working on. It is 5 days in the making, I believe, but it is a video about me cleaning up around the pool, trimming bushes, decorating around the pool, that kind of thing. And I'm so excited that soon I will be able to put that video out. I've worked so hard. My dad has helped me, Eric's helped me, so many people have helped me, and it's just looking really good, and I can't wait to share that video with you. So this is just a little sneak peek. And I just want to, as I end this video, I just want to thank you guys for sticking with me through the good and the bad, the ugly days, the pretty days, the messy days, the clean days, the failures, and I love you for all your support, and you guys mean the world to me. And also, as always, remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one.